Today we are doing several experiments related to the wave properties of light, namely diffraction of light through a single slit, diffraction through a diffraction grating, refraction of light, which is bending of light when it enters from one transparent medium into another, and the last part will be using a diffraction grating as a spectrometer to observe the spectrum of mercury vapor, atomic spectrum of mercury. We are using lasers, little lasers, and we are using diffraction gratings, and we obtain some interesting results with relatively simple techniques.
I enjoyed this class because we got to see many cool things with the reflection of light, so we can see exactly the specters of the light on the board. I think that it's cool to be able to see exactly how the physics theorems go into practice and to be able to use them in your everyday life, I guess.
I think it's important to have such practical classes, such laboratory exercises, so that the students can get a feeling that physics is not just theory, it is in fact more experimental science. The experiment is first, the observation is first, and the theory is only comes afterwards. Very often in doing experiments, students learn that things usually do not work always they are supposed to work in theory. One has to be very careful to consider a lot of effects, to do the measurements precisely. So this gives a very practical hands-on experience. It develops certain habits and certain skills to do precise observations, to consider experimental errors, and so on and so on. So in addition to this, of course, I believe that the lab exercises make it much more interesting to the students and much more exciting.